I think my hair is like too big, so I'm gonna see if I could tone it down and make it look a little bit better, tame it, pull all the ragged edges off. This is the Freetress Deep Twist 1B27, though that doesn't look like 1B. I wish it was number 1. But anyway, getting started. Hey, what you say? Yes, it's a brand new day. Welcome, subscribers. How are you today? It's a beautiful day in Shownuff world. It's a beautiful day for a subscriber. Would you be mine? Would you be my subscriber? So today, I just want to talk about this hair. Lots of hair. This is the Freetress. What is it? It's the Freetress. Sorry. Deep Twist. And so I have about 6 packs in my hair. It's very full. It's been in only a few days. I'm gonna take this down for you. It's a beautiful curl pattern. Yes, it's a lot of work too, because every night I have to twist it up, like in different, like maybe 8 twists. What do you think of that? Ooh, that feels good. It's itching. Okay, so I detangle it every night. It's not like super tangly, but it is synthetic hair. It doesn't feel like synthetic hair. It feels very soft, very wavy. And I'm sure you've seen this hair on lots of women since 2014. Let's just call me the late diva. This is my first time and it's 2020, so I just wanted to share my review with you. This is really nice hair. Very nice, a very nice pick. I have 1B27 in my hair, and I didn't expect it to be this full. I wanted it to be full, but I didn't expect it to be like this. But I really like it. So what I have to do this hair every night, like I said, is I just take a water bottle, spray it, pull it apart, and then I run my fingers through it and I twist it up. And the next day I just go about my business. As you can see, my hands are not greasy. I don't have any product in here other than the mousse that was put in the beginning to tame it down, because it was so fluffy. And you'll see that when I have that in the next part of this video, where I was showing how poofy it was. And this is how it looks now. And then I'll show you it twisted. And it can get tangled like any braiding hair, but it's easy to manage. It's a lot, but it's easy to manage. I'll show you the back. So that's it for now. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see how this hair holds up. It has only been about 4 days. Oh, and it's braided, across and then round in the back. Still pretty tight. So how do you like it? Talk to you soon. Real quick, I just wanted to share, I'm taking it down. I twisted it last night. Last night I didn't twist it with any products, nothing, not even water. So I'm just taking it down. There are times that you're just gonna be tired. You're not gonna wanna stand there and put water in it and try to untangle it. So I just ran my fingers through it and twisted it. So here I'll just see, if it's tangled, and it's not, of course, because it was twisted. So I'm not going to need to do anything to it. Sometimes one of the strands will get around like that, but you can just pull that out. And I only did 5 twists. So rather than 8, and I usually do about 8. The smaller the better, but probably because it's still new, it doesn't, it's not so tangly. Oh, and the other thing I forgot to mention is that it's 22 inches. So, and being as tall as I am, 22 inches actually works for me. And so then when it gets down like this, when I finish pulling it, I just cut that off, just like with any other hair. So I'm going to finish taking this loose. I just wanted to share that, you know, I twisted it and I'm taking it down, and this is how it turns out. Alrighty. Hey, let's talk about this hair. Gotta make a move. I did make a right move. This hair was right on point. Yeah, I had to cut it. How y'all doing? Let's talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, talk about it. Yeah. Talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, ooh, babe. Gotta move on, yeah. Gotta move on. Well, thank y'all. I just had to, you know, do me. I hope you didn't mind. This is the 3rd week. Actually, it's the 4th week because it's the end. Today is Saturday. So this is just about 4 weeks. And I'm really excited to tell you I enjoyed wearing my hair. I had to cut it because it's a bit of a high maintenance hair, not extremely high. It's just twisting and plait, you know, making sure there's no tangles in it. So what I did is cut it. I'll just turn around so you can see. So I cut it. Actually, it was 5 o'clock in the morning when I cut my hair. But I just want to share with you that I can wear this hair for 2 more weeks in this state since I've cut it. You see how it just falls right apart. The longer it is, the more tangly it gets. But it was worth wearing. I washed it. I did not twist it before I washed it. I just washed my hair in the long state, washed it real good. And when I got out of the shower, while it was wet, I went ahead and twisted it because I didn't want it to dry and get tangled. I would highly suggest not to put any products on this hair because this hair is soft. I mean, it is still very soft. The only product I put in this hair, and that was the very beginning, was the mousse. So I haven't put anything else in my hair other than water. That hair was 22 inches long. Very enjoyable to wear. Got lots of compliments. Let's see, is there anything else? I washed it. Let me just pause and think. The other thing I like to add, if you have really, like my hair itched for the first 2, just say 3 weeks. My hair itched even after I washed it. My scalp was itching me so bad, and I couldn't figure out why my hair was itching me so bad. It would be white around the edges, white, you know, in the very sensitive spots or the areas where it itched the most. So I thought, let me go and try sulfurate, because I used to use sulfurate when we would grease our scalps back in the days. And let me tell you, I can wear this hair 2 more weeks because sulfurate not only stopped the itching, but it stopped the flaking up around my edges and everything. And I feel more relaxed. It's like the tension is off of my scalp, and it made a difference for me. So that's why I can say, if you have that issue, you can use the sulfurate if you have any itching. So from now on, when I get my crochet done, I'm going to ask the person that does my hair to please grease my scalp once they've braided it up with the sulfurate, and please massage it for me. And I think that'll give my scalp a little bit of ease. So I think that's it. I hope you did not mind me doing a little bit of, you know, playing a little bit in the beginning. That's really the way I like to do it. I have no claims on that music. So I gotta move on now. Thanks for watching, and you'll see me. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and thank you so much. I'm almost at 500. Not there yet. Keep coming. Gotta move on, yeah.